Yes, Ayushi. So you closed four clients at 1.25. How does that makes you feel? And actually, your
I
closing percentage is more than 50%, right? More than 50%.
Yes,
So, how are you feeling about the whole thing?
I am feeling like a lot of weight has been lifted off my chest. Like for the last 2 years, I was like thinking, ki bhai, they are charging this much. Like, how is it? I mean, happening? What is making them do this confidently? To becoming that person who's able to do it myself, I mean, it has been an amazing a journey full of most of downs, and the only up I have got is like after like 2 months of my association with you. I think something changed. I don't know, probably my energy got changed, and the template that you gave me for closing, I think that worked out really well. Because earlier it was like, I know I have the skills which where I can easily charge this amount to people, but somehow it was not happening. Probably there was something with my positioning, probably it was something with my offer, but I don't know what magic you did, but it worked great for me. And in just like few weeks, like life is like turned around,
Yeah.
and very much grateful to you.
You deserve it. You deserve it. Totally deserve it. The way you mastered, the scripts, everything. I saw your demonstration. I was so happy with the demonstration. But पहले क्या हो रहा था? Like, I should let's talk a little bit about what was happening before. Why were you not able to pitch? Abhi you closed 1.25 lakhs with four clients. You literally pitched it to eight people. You closed four and 1.2, literally 5 lakh rupees. What was happening before, which was not allowing you to close high ticket?
I think there was a lot of resistance in me, lot of self and inner doubts and fears which was keeping me in the safe zone. And it's like when I got on calls with you and you were helping me release them or get over them, and I think transition happened. Like there were few things which were like सिंपल था, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे क्लिक नहीं हो रहा था. एंड व्हेन यू सेड, एंड आई थिंक मोर देन एवरीथिंग इट वाज योर कॉन्फिडेंस, like from the day one you told me that Aishi, you will be doing it, you will be closing like this, you will be closing like this. And I've heard it enough of times, number of times from you, that okay, somewhere I got convinced, yes, I can do it. And I think I went ahead and did that. And honestly, Bina, I'm telling you, even though you were confident from day one, I was still doubting myself. And when you doubt yourself, you feel like you're doubting others, but it is a self doubt. It's like, पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा, पता नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा तो मैं ऐसा करूंगी ऐसा. Like, and I was in lot of self doubt कि पता नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा. But you kept saying कि होगा, हो जाएगा. You were sure about, confident about my skills. You were confident about me more than I was. And I think that played a huge role. And again, you helped me with positioning. You helped me narrow down my niche. So like all these things mattered a lot. And then you also gave me scripts, tools, everything, like it worked in my favor. And it was not like earlier I was not approaching, like it was the same thing, but my positioning was not up to the mark. My script was not up to the mark. I did not know what needs to be said, although I've been a coach for like more than 4 years myself, and I'm like good at group closings and all. But I think when it comes to closing high ticket one on one, it's a different game altogether, and you're a queen of that. And you shared those things with me, and I think there was no looking back. And with so many tools and resources and uh, things that you have helped me, I think it gave me the confidence I need. It removed the resistance which was holding me back. And by
Thank
your grace and
you.
your blessing and God's grace, I think
Thank
touch
you.
wood, so far it's going so well.
It's amazing. Actually, I should look at this. You started, you just, got on calls with people from 1st January onwards. Literally in 5 days, five closings, like four closings. Oh my God, insane. And they're just first 5 days of 2026. Imagine what is going to happen in the coming time. And keep doing the
Yeah.
brilliant work that you're doing. I think we
Yes.
are, this is not even the tip of the, the whole thing.
Iceberg.
And I'm so proud of you. And when I saw your demonstration somewhere, it was very clear to me it's happening now, it's around the corner. That's why we kept pushing you that go and launch, go and do your call bookings.
That demonstration session also gave me huge confidence. Ki even though I had seen your videos, I had learned the script and all, but because I had never done it once, I was postponing the process of going in front of people and proposing. But the moment I did that one and it went well, and with your appreciation and your push, and of course I became excited. Ki okay, now let me try it out. I became ready, so that demonstration itself removed or like cleared road for me, and I started went ahead. And trust me, like I had taken notes while I was watching your video, and like a bible, those notes sit in my lap when I go and speak to clients, and I've been doing it. I like, even though I've learned everything, but still I have that notes with me, and it always sit on my lap. So I make sure that I don't skip any part of it, and I do it perfectly the way you have suggested. And I know that even though it's like 8 out of 4, it's gonna be 6 out of 8 eventually.
It is already 6 out of 8. It's just that the two people have said that they'll
Just
come
just
in
need that
sometime.
sweet thinking time. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, totally. I love you for this, Ayushi. You are such a pure blessing to this world. I
Thank you
don't
so
know,
much.
like maybe God made me a channel to say this to you, but you really have it in you. And that is why I'm telling you, even the other conversation that we are having regarding the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali and how we are taking our journey forward in a different space. I have a very grand vision, and I'm really looking for those people who can join hands in this whole thing that I am really looking at bringing out. Because, see,